Hi guys, welcome to Links, our YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I'm your online instructor. So what's new in this video? In this video we will talk about TerraScan command. But before start the lab session we need to understand few points, which is what is TerraScan command in Terraform and its use cases. So you can see this is the official documentation of TerraScan, and as per the documentation, if we go here, it says that it is an open source static code analysis tool. It is used to scan the template in infrastructure as a code and cross-check them with the inbuilt policies defining the structure of good ISE. It's a good for beginners trying to learn how to build ISE in the cloud, AWS, Azure, and GCP. It provides you with a good blueprint on how to build infrastructure native to the cloud. In cloud computing, it is nearly impossible to remember almost all of the policies. There are more than 500 policies are there. With TerraScan, developer can check if their code match policy standard and needs not to be remember all IAC policies in the cloud. It can be used to analyze and scan code in Terraform. So if we talk about the use cases, it is popular software used to detect any possible vulnerabilities in IAC structure. With its predefined built-in policy, TerraScan can detect any vulnerabilities in your code and let you know about the policy violation in details in their, including their severity. So let's start the lab session and we'll see how we can use TerraScan command in our Terraform project. So more information you can get it from here. The entire documentations are available, how you can go with that one, what is the kind of benefit we can use, so you can read from here, right? And installation steps are clearly mentioned here. You can install it from here also. So let me go with my VM. So guys, here you can see this is my VMware workstation and currently I have one Linux VM. Let me show you the OS release version of this one first of all. So I'll go with the host name CTL command and you can see this is currently I'm using RHEL 9.4, right? And I have already installed Terraform here. Let me show you the Terraform version. So okay, now you can see Terraform version 1.9.4 is there, and updates are also available 1.9.5. Now let's suppose I want to launch simple S3 bucket. Then we go with the Terraform code and then we have to launch it, right? So let's go and let's try. So I'll make a project first, project one. I'll go to the my project directory and here I need to write down my S3 code. So I'll go start s3.tf file. So question come in our mind is from where we can get the code, right? So for that one I'll go with Terraform documentation. So I'll go with Terraform registry.io site and here I go with the provider. I select my AWS provider. On the documentation I'll go and search S3 bucket. So the moment I press enter, I'll go and here's the resources. Under the resources we have a provide S3 bucket resources code are there. So if I scroll down here you can see the code is there. You can go and copy and write it, right? So I have already copied this code in my notepad file and I'll update it as per my own needed. Let me go from there. So I'll copy, that's my code which I'm used for this lab. Copy and paste, let me set the line number. Now you can, and let me save it. Now you can see this is a very basic code. Let me explain. Here my provider is AWS, reason is AP South 1, and I'm going to launch one resources which is AWS S3 bucket. First is identical logical name or block name, and the bucket name is example demo com with the tag my bucket, right? Now my code is ready. Let's initialize the provider plugin and then validate the syntax by using Terraform init and Terraform validate command. So I'll save and quit and I run the Terraform init command. Let's see. So it will download the latest plugin, yeah, version 5.64.0. So this is the latest plugin. Here it is. Let it be complete first, then I'll show you something. Yep, initialization done successfully. Now time to check Terraform validate command. So let's check. Did I do any kind of syntax error? No, it's okay. Everything is okay. The configuration is valid. We didn't get any error. Now before going to deploy, let's move on TerraScan command. So move to the next step, which is install TerraScan command. By default, TerraScan is not there. So if I go with Terra, you can see only Terraform is there, right? So you can follow the installation steps from the official documentation. And let me go with the documentation. Here it is, installing TerraScan, sorry. If I go with TerraScan, you can install on Mac and Linux, and you can install in Windows also, right? So steps are very simple. We need to go with this one. Download the latest version of build for Mac OS and enter the following command. And note, for Linux, replace drawin with Linux. So if I go with the first command, here is drawin, I need to replace with Linux, right? So let me copy this command. I'll copy. I'm here, right click and paste, and as per the documentation, I need to modify this name, drawin Linux. Press enter. Sorry, I need to remove this one. Yeah, so I just change the name here, Linux. It fetch. Okay, now you can see we have a terrascan.tar.gz. Okay, just follow the next step. Next step is tar command and extract it. Copy, paste, tar accept. It will extract and then remove. So are you sure? Yes, I am. Now you can see we have TerraScan command are there. In the next step, they want to install, so just use install command, install TerraScan, and where you want to install it, want to install in USR local bin and remove the TerraScan from there. So I remove it from here. Now you can see it's gone. And now if I go Terra, you can see Terraform as well as TerraScan both are there. So if I go TerraScan, I have installation is done, right? To verify the TerraScan is installed correctly, we'll go with the Terraform scan hyphen hyphen, or you can go with version command. Let's check first of all the version. See, 1.9 is available, and if I go with the help is also available. Yep, these are the command. You can go with TerraScan. Cool. So now we have TerraScan successfully installed. Now move to the next step, which is how to use TerraScan to scan our infrastructure as a code. So if you want to scan your code, to scan IC code for security issue, you can use TerraScan command. Very simple command. By default, TerraScan will scan the current directory for Terraform files and report any violation forms. So let's scan a single Terraform file, which currently I have on my project folder, which is S3, by using command TerraScan, SCAN, scan, and hyphen F, and the file is s3.tf file. Let's see what happened when I press enter. Okay. Okay. Yep. Violation details. Yeah, we get some output. So here you can see, as you can see, we have a Terraform result summary first of all at the bottom. The file folder root project 1s3, infrastructure as a code type Terraform, scan date and time, policy validation, and low, medium, and high. We have a one high severity, right? So as you can see, TerraScan has detected one high level severity and violation that indicate the S3 bucket version. Look at that, this line description. S3 bucket, you can say versioning is recommended for easy recovery for from untended user action. So according to this standard, this says that in your S3 bucket, you don't go with, you till now you didn't select S3 versioning, enable the S3 versioning, which is very good for us if we just forget something to make a industry understand, right? So here it's giving me a message, enabling S3 version will enable easy recovery from the path from the sessions, right? So in the same manner, if I go another resource, like I want to go with EC2 resource, then see what happened. So let me make another ec2.tf file. The same pattern, I can copy the code from official documentation, but currently I'm going to copy from my notepad. I'll copy this again, and again it's very basic code. Here my provider is AWS, region is AP South 1, where the resource will be launched, and instance type is T2 macro, key name is demo key, and the tag is demo server. So let's run TerraScan command one more time with this file and see what happened. So this time everything is same. I'll go with ec2.tf. So the moment I press enter, again it's go, again it fetch the information, and now see, look at that, one high and two medium is there, right? So TerraScan has detected one high level and two medium level severity variation. First one indicate that we need to ensure detail monitoring. So if I go with the high, medium and high, one second, let me make it set for you. Yeah, this is the high one. Ensure that the detail monitoring is enabled for EC2 install. Till now we didn't select that one. That's the reason it gave me the option. Second one is EC2 install should disable IMDS, and third one is ensure that your AWS application is not deployed within the default VPC. Currently I am going with the default VPC because in my code I am not mentioning any VPC where is going to be launched. That's the reason it gave me the option. This is the best practice if you go with your own VPC rather than you go with the default VPC. So this is how you can see it's very important for us, right? So this is how TerraScan command detect any vulnerabilities in our code and let you know about the policy violation in details, including their severity or the labels, right? In the same manner, we can scan Helium charts. In the same manner, we can go Kubernetes manifest. In the same manner, we can go Ansible playbooks, right? So that is very common and very useful for all those kind of technologies. So finally guys, that's all about this demo. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please reach out through my social media links which is mentioned in the description. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.